Best deals. Cleaning accessories effectively clean the dead corners and stains. Multifunctional scrubbing floor brush is durable and does not hurt the surface of the object, also ideal for cleaning crevice, seams, and other small, difficult to clean areas. Durability ensures long-term use, making it a reliable choice for all your cleaning needs. The product link is given in the description. Ergonomic handle with adjustable height, foldable design, and swivel functionality, steam for effective home cleaning, requiring no harsh chemicals, making it ideal for families with children and pets. Steam clean carpets, rugs and upholstery, remove dried-on messes from microwaves, ovens, sinks, countertops and more, cleans floors and furniture. Upholstery for comprehensive cleaning, made up of strong microfiber for efficient dirt removal and durable usage. Design ensures effective floor mopping by allowing for effortless storage and hassle-free cleaning in difficult-to-reach places. The wheel mop bucket may be easily moved about thanks to its attached wheels, which reduce strain when cleaning big areas. It's designed to get into difficult-to-reach places in the shower, ideal for cleaning the tile floor, corners, baseboards, grooves and tight space. Sturdy steel long handle lets you really bear down. It saves you back and makes cleaning the shower much easier. The rotating neck is perfect to get into narrow space or crevice for deep cleaning. It really helps if you can't get down on your knees to clean. Electric spin scrubber adopts a tight protection design. It can be used in a humid environment or washed by dipping the brush head in water. You can easily clean shower bathrooms, bathtubs, stone tile floors, grout, and grooves. Cordless design allows you to get rid of rope restrictions, further improving cleaning speed and achieving efficient deep cleaning. The internal motor system of the electric spin scrubber has two speeds, low speed -250 rpm and high speed -350 rpm. The default speed is low when the brush is started, and long press for 2 seconds to easily switch to high speed. The dual-speed design allows you to choose the cleaning method that works for you, eliminating the traditional manual cleaning and saving you valuable time. Battery capacity up to 2500 mAh. The battery takes 3 to 4 hours to fully charge and will work for up to 90 minutes on a full charge. The scrubber brush head built for long-lasting performance. The highly sealed design makes it also resistant to splashing water and can be used under wet condition. The bristles won't scratch your bathtub. The spin scrubber, with adjustable handle, allows you to deep clean even hard-to-reach places. Electric cleaning brush can be used for whole house cleaning, saving time and effort. This versatility spin brush empowers you to tackle any cleaning challenge effortlessly, saving both time and energy. It is comfortable for users to hold, and easier to use for longer periods of time, because it is lightweight.